What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Sea Dog. Today I got some Subway. I'll show you what I got. I got lettuce, ham, bacon, pepperoni, mayo, and I got my bread a little toasted, and I got some sour cream and onion chips. So let's try this. Let's go. Okay, it's really good. Really good. So, yeah. I really like it. I did get some Coke too. I'm gonna have to get it in a minute. But sour cream and onion chips. So, yeah. My first time making a sub at Subway. I did get a pizza one time, but I really never had a sub from it. So, yeah, that's what I got. So, see ya.